is the 1988 Porsche 944. It's a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated automatic. It is missing the windshield and the driver's side window, but everything else is there and complete. Somebody sprayed black spray paint right there. It's been sitting for quite a few years. I'll post it down below when I find out exactly how long, but from what I can tell, probably going on 10 years. It has damage. Both tail lights are busted. There's dents in the quarter panel. Big dent in the door. And this is the inside. There is all sorts of wildlife living in here, ants and termites and whatnot, and all sorts of glass and yard debris in here. Got quite a lot of cleaning to do. It is an automatic, like I said. Windshield is busted. Luckily there is key oil. I checked it and it is clean, but let me show you under the hood of just how bad the engine compartment is. I got this car, by the way, for $200 with a title. It is completely buried under the hood. I have not even checked to see if the engine turns, but from what I can tell, it is complete. The shocks do not hold the hood, and I don't think I can check the oil and hold the hood at the same time. You'll just have to take my word for it. The oil is very clean. I'm also going to take that windshield out too. I may or may not put another windshield in it. It depends on how good this thing turns out to be as far as turning over. If it'll turn over with the key and it'll light off with some starter fluid, I'll certainly see about investing in getting a windshield. Until then, I'm just going to cover it up because it may rain. I have not dove into the back of this thing yet because there's just so much glass on the inside, so much debris on the inside. So it is just a 2.5 liter non-turbo automatic. It may just end up being a good parts car for someone, but just for the fun of it, I'm gonna make it look as good as I can inside and out and bring out its full potential. And maybe somebody will go the extra mile and restore it. It still has brake pressure too, amazingly. Well, I vacuumed one side a little bit. I got the windshield off. Still got a little bit of cleaning left to do on the carpet. Seats I don't think are going to come very clean. I'll try some stuff on them, but take a look at the other side. I thought I was done with the shovel. I guess not. Still got a little bit farther to go. I vacuumed all this out. That side's done. Back here is clean. And I even did the carpet back here. It may not look it, but it's a hell of a lot cleaner than it was. The seats I have to clean, deep clean. Still got to figure out what I'm going to do for a windshield. I peeled off the remaining glass as well. and I've got to decide whether I'm going to put a windshield back in it or not. I'd like to, but it's going to be expensive. Alright guys, now that the inside is now vacuumed out for the most part, I'm going to start cleaning out under the hood. All of this is just jammed in here. The hood supports do not work. I'll have a pole just propping up the hood, so I'm not sure how deep this is. Probably way down in there. It's jammed in there. So I'm going to get to work. I'm going to start vacuuming. Well, I vacuumed it all out. It's clear for the most part, and that is a heck of a lot better than it was. There's a few things still jammed down in there, but nothing too much to worry about. Still got to get up there on the cowl a little bit and take out the battery, and that's it pretty much. This is what came out of the engine bay. Pretty much up to here is full